Congress Aidgi Kakiba Akoijam Bimol, Sidamapu Panduna, Maite Macha Amoina, Wasak Lokre.
Bimol Akoijam.
I'll have. Yes, I'll have. I Angomcha Bimol Akoizam, Lok Savagi Tawuroi, Misak Amoina, Kanbirak Laba, Maramna, Ayhagna, Taibung Palbu, Sembi Sabiba, Sidaba Mapu, Panjaduna Wasaksari, Madudi, Aina Linkraba, Bharat Kilengak Loan, Janapatapu, Aina, Tasena Tazaba, Amadi, Pukning Sing, and Ningzabo Chagani. Loinana Bharat ki ning tamba amadi amatto oiba saktambo aina yokhat chagani amasung aina paikhat kadoriba lokhat kadoriba thaudang sing pukchel singna pangthok chagani Jai Hind ima lepakna yai fare Manipur imana yai fare.
Sri Alfred Kangam S. Arthur.
I, Alfred Kangam Shangshakoshi Arthur, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Manipur mein nyay dilaye, desh bachaye. Thank you.